Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello. Okay, today I want to presentation about Pecha Kucha from from a country that name Switzerland, or you can call it Swiss. Okay, so Switzerland is uh, an famous country that have been called about a land of neutrality, beauty, and innovation. The population of Switzerland is like 8.7 million people, and the area is 41,290 kilometer cubic. And it located in Central Europe. Okay, so in this first presentation, I will I will explain about the flag, government, culture, currency, education, language, landmarks, logo, tourism, and history. So for the first is the flag. The philosophy of the Swiss flag. The design. The design is white cross on a red square background for a simple, bold look, like you can see the in the left of me. After that, the origin. It is rooted in the canton of Swiss historic coat of arms, and the symbolism is white cross, neutrality, and freedom. And for the red field is about courage and sacrifice, and the uniqueness is one of few national flags with a perfectly square shape. So Swiss is one of the country that use the square shape, not rectangle shape. Okay, next, the government. The Swiss system of government. The Swiss system of government use federal republic. It combines direct democracy with representative democracy and cantons. 26 cantons each with strong autonomy and individual government. After that, Federal Council. It has 7-member executive council acting collectively as head of state. And the last is direct democracy. Citizens actively vote on laws and referendums nationwide. So if you want to, so if the country want to change her to change the president, it it will be selective, like a vote on this country. Okay, the next is Swiss culture and tradition. The first is multicultural heritage, like blends German, French, Italian, and Romance influences. For the core values, it is punctuality, clean lines, privacy, and respect. And for the folklore, it's yodeling, Alphorn music like in the right, and flag throwing are popular arts. And for the festivals, that is Fastnacht Carnival and Aspanenfest celebrate Swiss identity and heritage. So there will be a many culture and tradition in Swiss. Okay, so for the next is Swiss currency, the Swiss French or CSF. The stability. Stability, one of the world's most trusted and stable currencies. And for the information, the Swiss is the most trusted. Like if you want to transfer like money in Swiss is trusted. And for security is microprinting, complex design, and embedded security threats. So in Swiss, the technology already high with microprinting and embedded security threats. And for the issuer, issued and regulated by the Swiss National Bank. And for the denomination is banknotes from 10 to 1,000 francs, coins from 5 centimes to 5 francs. Next is the Swiss education system. The first is decentralized structure. Cantons hold primary responsibility for education and policies, and global excellence, consistently ranked among the top education system worldwide. So, Swiss is already in top education system in the world. Considered compulsory learning, primary and lower secondary education mandatory for children. And last is vocational focus, strong apprenticeships connecting students directly with industries.
Apprenticeship seems like internship.
Yes, like internship, like yeah, like that. Okay. The next is language of Switzerland. For national language, there is four. The first is German. Yes, yes, many. 62.1% German, and French is 22.8%. Italian 8.0%, and the the minor is Romance 0.5%. But the multilingual society is many Swiss citizens fluently speak multiple language. So the citizen from Swiss is already bilingual and multiple language, can talk about English, German, French, and another. So that the language regions, distinct regions speak German, French, Italian, or Romance. Okay. So this is the Swiss landmarks or the iconic structures. The first is Matterhorn, symbolize Swiss natural beauty and alpine culture. Like you can see in the right photo. After that, the Keppel Bridge, historic wooden bridge in Lucerne dating from the 14th century. The next is Ceylon Castle, medieval lakeside fortress on Lake Geneva shores. And the last is Federal Palace, seat of Swiss Federal Assembly located in Bern. Okay, the next is the Swiss logo, coat of arms. Okay, for the first is national emblem, white cross on red shield representing freedom and neutrality, like you can see in the left. And the next is official use, found on documents, government buildings, and Swiss products worldwide. So this icon or this logo is already used in documents and government buildings and Swiss products. And this of an official logo from the Swiss. So that the symbolism represent independence and unity of the Swiss nation. And the last is local variation. The cantons and municipalities have their own distinct coats of arms. Okay, the Swiss tourism. For the first is natural beauty. Alps, crystal clear lakes, and breathtaking landscape abound. For the top destination is must-see cities include Zurich, Geneva, Lucerne, and Interlaken. So for the tourism is mostly come to this place in Swiss. For the popular activities is skiing and snowboarding. As you know, Swiss is a snow country, and then hiking and mountaineering. Yes, is like the Swiss activity because Swiss is a lot of mountain in Swiss. After that, water sports on alpine lakes. And last is culinary delights. World famous Swiss is chocolate and cheese time every palate. So uh, the most the most delights in Swiss is chocolate and cheese because they have a high quality of chocolate and cheese. Okay, so for next is religious landscape of Switzerland. The most the most relig- the most religion in Swiss is Christianity dominates. Like Catholic is 34% and Protestant 22%. But in Swiss, it have about diversity and freedom, like Muslims, Orthodox, or you can say Yahudi, and secular groups present, like religious freedom guaranteed. And the notable site is Abbey of Saint Gall and Zurich Grossmünster Church, as you can see in the right. Okay, the next is capital city of Switzerland. For the capital city of Switzerland, it have capital status. Like Bern is the de facto capital with major federal institution. The next is population and heritage. Approximately 134,000 residents and UNESCO World Heritage Old City. And the key government of Switzerland is Hot Swiss Parliament and Federal Council.
The capital city is Bern.
Yes. So that the population and demographic. The population size is about 8.7 million people as of 2024 data. After that, the linguistic diversity, like I tell you before, the German 62.6%, French 22.9%, Italian 8.2%, and Romance 0.5%. For the foreign residents, approximately 25% of the population are foreign nationals. So the 25% population in Swiss is from outside the country. For the quality of life in Swiss is ranked consistently among world's best for living standards. So in Swiss, the quality of life is already good, and because there is nature and calm, so the people is can serve a joy. Okay, so the next is geographic overview. Heart of the Alps. The location. The location of Heart of the Alps is Central Europe, entirely landlocked. And the second, alpine terrain is Swiss Alps cover 60% of the landmass. The next is famous peaks, the Matterhorn and Jungfrau Mountains. And for the lakes is Lake Geneva, Lake Constance, and Lake Lucerne. Okay, so for the culinary delights, special Swiss food. The first is cheese fondue, melted cheese served with bread cubes, like in the photo. And cheese in Swiss is have a good taste. After that, raclette. Raclette is basically a scraped melted cheese on potatoes or plates. And after that, a roasty, crispy Swiss potato pancake. And last is Swiss chocolate, world renowned for quality and artisanal craftsmanship. Plus Zürcher Gesnetzeltes, slice filled in a creamy sauce. So for the unique Swiss regulation, the culture shock. For the first is direct democracy. Like as I told before, the Swiss have a system that is a democracy. So democracy is basically citizens can vote directly on laws and policies. So if so, the Swiss can uh, not choose the president for their own. Then will be a vote system in Swiss. After that, a military service, a mandatory for men, alternative civil service options exist. After that, gun laws, strict yet more liberal than other European countries. And last is noise restrictions, quiet hours observed on Sundays and certain times. So in Sundays and uh, certain times there will be a noise distraction, so you cannot do yelling or making a loud noise in that day. So for the richest in Switzerland, it is Gianluigi Aponte. They made their fortune through the shipping and cruise business, Mediterranean Shipping Company (MSC), and including MSC Cruises. And the foundation or the company is already famous in the world, as you can search it by yourself. And for the currency is $36.7 million. Okay. So the next is famous Swiss actors or actresses. The first is Urs Ebeglen, known for impactful war photographer documentary. So Urs Ebeglen is a war photographer, maybe from World War II. And the next is Bruno Ganz, international star acclaimed for Downfall. And Downfall is a film that already published. After that, Carla Juri, rising European cinema star, appeared in Blade Runner 2049. And for the last slide is Swiss military, a neutral defense. Neutral policy. Neutral policy is a long tradition of avoiding armed conflict involvement. And the next is conscription, mandatory service for men with civilian alternatives. And after that, a Swiss Guard, protectors of Vatican City with Swiss roots. And the last is defense focus, protect Swiss territory is about $6.4 billion budget in 2024 data. And maybe that's all that I can tell you in this Pecha Kucha presentation about Switzerland. I hope you understand and know about Switzerland. Okay, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.